The polar representation of complex number. Complex number is like this, a plus ib. Okay. In the polar plane, the x-axis is known as the real axis. It is x-axis means real axis and y-axis is imaginary axis. The y-axis is इसको इमेजिनरी एक्सिस कहते हैं y को, और इसको कहते हैं रियल एक्सिस. अगर हमको कोई नंबर 2 + 3i रिप्रेजेंट करना है इस प्लेन में, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक्स एक्सिस से 2 एंड वाई से 1 2 3. दिस इज द पॉइंट 2 3 इन पोलर एक्सिस, पोलर प्लेन. ओके, दिस प्लेन इज नोन एज द आर्गेंट प्लेन, कॉम्प्लेक्स प्लेन और द आर्गेंट प्लेन. इस प्लेन को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, कॉम्प्लेक्स प्लेन और द आर्गेंट प्लेन, ARGANT, ये बोला जाता है. जैसे हम लोग कोऑर्डिनेट में पढ़ते हैं वो रियल नंबर्स के लिए और ये है कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के लिए. सपोज ए पॉइंट इन दिस P, द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस P पॉइंट इज XY and the origin is coordinates 0 0. The distance from the origin is √ x square plus y square. The distance between the point P and the O is the origin, it is equal to the x square plus y square. Okay, if a point x plus iy or the a plus ib, the conjugate a plus ib is a number and conjugate of this is a minus ib, it means it is a just mirror image. Suppose a point xy is here and its conjugate is here, x minus y. The points AB, अगर यहाँ पर अगर पॉइंट AB है तो इसके कंजुगेट के पॉइंट्स क्या हो जाएंगे, A minus B, just the mirror image of its conjugate. In the polar representation, polar form of polar complex numbers, x is equal to r cos theta. In polar form, the angle theta, and y equal to r sin theta. Now the z equal to the number equal to the r cos theta plus I r sin theta. The number z, complex number in the polar plane, r cos theta and r sin theta. The coordinates of this point equal to cos theta and sin theta. Cos theta, sin theta. And the angle, it is equal to theta. And the distance r is represented by the modulus of z, where r is equal to √ x square plus y square. Okay. Now exercise 5.2. Find the modulus and the arguments of each of the complex number in exercises 1 and 2. First, modulus and argument in the question number 1 and 2. Okay. -1 minus I√3. R cos theta equal to -1 and R sin theta equal to -√3. Okay. Now squaring both sides and add R cos theta whole square plus R sin theta whole square equal to it means R square equal to 4, because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. And R equal to 2. √4 equal to 2, because R is always greater than 0. Okay. Now modulus equal to 2. Modulus is R. Modulus equal to 2. 2 cos theta. Therefore 2 cos theta equal to -1. And 2 sin theta equal to -√3. Cos theta equal to -1/2. and sin theta equal to minus root 3 by 2. Put the value r equal to 2, 2 cos theta equal to minus 1, 2 sin theta equal to minus root 3. The cos theta and sin theta both are negative. Sin theta and cos theta both are negative. Therefore, they lies in the third quadrant. Okay. So now argument minus pi by 3 equal to minus 2 pi by 3. The modulus is 2 and argument is minus 2 pi by 3. Cos theta minus 1 by 2, it means theta equal to angle is pi by 3. The value of cos theta means minus 1 by 2 value is pi by 3. And the argument of this in the third quadrant, when the theta lies between minus pi to plus pi, then the argument of this third quadrant is this, like this. Therefore, we take pi minus pi by 3. Pi by 3 is the value of root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2, 60 degrees value. Therefore, it is in the third quadrant like this. Next, question number 2. The number is minus root 3 plus I. The z is in the form of r cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Now, comparing these two, the r cos theta equal to minus root 3 and r sin theta equal to only 1. I comparing this. Now square and add both sides. R cos theta whole square plus r sin theta whole square equal to minus root 3 whole square plus 1 square. Take r square common, in bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is equal to 1 and 4. Therefore, r square equal to 4, r equal to 2. Under root 4 is 2 because r is always greater than 0. The distance can't be in negative number. Therefore, r equal to 2. Next, r cos theta equal to minus root 3. It means 2 cos theta equal to minus root 3. Cos theta equal to minus root 3 by 2. It is a negative number, but the value is pi by 6, 30 degree value. And the same 2 sin theta equal to 1, sin theta equal to 1 by 2. This value is also pi by 6. The cos negative and sin positive. It means cos theta, cos is negative and sin is positive. Therefore, it lies in second quadrant. It lies in second quadrant. Therefore, we can say that theta equal to pi minus pi by 6. This is the argument. Theta means argument. It is equal to 5 pi by 6. So, you can write argument of z equal to 5 pi by 6 and modulus equal to 2. This is the r value equal to 2. Next question. Convert each of the complex numbers in the exercises 3 to 8 in polar form. Okay. Polar form is r cos theta plus I r sin theta. The question is 1 minus I. It means r cos theta, real part, and r sin theta equal to minus 1. And square and add both sides. R cos square theta plus r square cos sin square theta equal to 1 plus 1. Square of these two numbers. It means r square equal to 2. Therefore, r equal to root 2. The reason is same. R is greater than 0. Now, root 2 cos theta equal to 1. It means cos theta equal to 1 by root 2. And 1 by root 2 is the value of cos pi by 4. The argument is pi by 4. In the next, sin theta, root 2 sin theta equal to minus 1. It is equal to minus sin theta equal to minus 1 by root 2. It is also equal to the value of minus sin pi by 4. Okay. It means theta equal to minus pi by 4. Minus pi by 4. Theta lies in the fourth quadrant because cos is positive and sin negative. It means it lies in the fourth quadrant. Therefore, theta equal to minus 1 by 4. Therefore, we can write in the polar form 1 minus I equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta. Put the values. R is root 2. R is 2 and cos minus pi by 4 and plus I sin minus pi by 4. The argument is minus pi by 4 because it is in the fourth quadrant. Okay. The answer is this. It is in the polar form. 2. R is equal to root 2. I am taking 2. R is equal to root 2. Root 2 cos minus pi by 4 plus I sin minus pi by 4. Minus 1 plus I. Now compare this to r cos theta equal to minus 1 and r sin theta equal to 1. Same process. R cos theta whole square plus r sin theta whole square. It is equal to minus 1 square plus 1 square. Therefore, r square equal to 2 and r equal to root 2. And the next, cos theta equal to r cos theta equal to minus 1. It means root 2 cos theta. Cos theta equal to minus 1 by root 2. And the same r sin theta equal to 1. Root 2 sin theta equal to 1. It is sin theta equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is the value of pi by 4. But it lies in the second quadrant. Sin theta positive and cos theta, value of cos theta negative. Therefore, theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin theta is positive. Therefore, theta lies in second quadrant. So, we can write like this: theta equal to pi minus pi by 4. The value equal to pi minus pi by 4. It is equal to 3 pi by 4. So, now you can write minus 1 plus I equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta. R equal to root 2. Cos theta equal to cos 3 pi by 4 plus r sin I sin 3 pi by 4. I sin 3 pi by 4. Take r common. This is in the polar form. Next, minus 1 minus I. It is also equal to cos theta. Comparing this, minus 1 and r sin theta equal to minus 1. Square and add. R square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta equal to square of minus 1 plus square of minus 1. R square equal to 2. Therefore, r equal to root 2. Put value of root 2 cos theta equal to minus 1. It means cos theta equal to minus 1 by root 2. And same sin theta equal to minus 1 by root 2. It means both are negative. Sin and cos both are negative. It means theta lies in third quadrant. It is in third quadrant. Therefore, argument theta equal to minus pi by 4. Negative side. So it is equal to minus 3 pi by 4. So we can write z equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta. Just put the value of r is root 2, cos equal minus 3 pi by 4, argument is this, and I r sin minus 3 pi by 4. Take common root 2, it is equal to root 2 cos minus 3 pi by 4 plus I sin minus 3 pi by 4. This is in the polar form. Number 6 is equal to minus 3. Let it is equal to the z equal to minus 3. It is equal to the r cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. R cos theta equal to minus 3 and r sin theta equal to 0. Comparing these two numbers, real number r cos theta minus 3 and 0. Now r square cos square theta is squaring plus r square sin square theta equal to minus 3 whole square plus 0 square. It means r square equal to 9. Therefore, r equal to 3. Okay, r equal to 3. This is the way you can write r is greater than 0. Distance always is a positive quantity. Okay, now compare r cos theta equal to minus 3. R equal to 3. 3 cos theta equal to minus 3. It means cos theta equal to minus 1. The minus 1 is the value of pi, and the second r sin theta equal to 0, sin theta equal to 0. So both our values are the pi. It means therefore theta equal to pi. So we can write minus 3 equal to r means 3 cos pi plus I 3 sin pi. Okay, now take 3 common, it is equal to cos pi plus I sin pi. Okay, next question number 7. The question number 7 equal to root 3 plus I. Now compare r cos theta equal to root 3 and r sin theta equal to 1. I means 1. R square cos square theta equal to 3 and r square sin square theta equal to 1. Squaring both sides. Now you can add these two. R square sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 3 plus 1, 4. It is equal to 1, therefore r square equal to 4, r equal to 2, whereas r is greater than 0. Next, r cos theta equal to root 3. It means 2 cos theta equal to root 3 and cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, theta equal to pi by 6, 30 degree. Same here, r cos theta same, r sin theta equal to 1, 2 sin theta equal to 1, sin theta equal to 1 by 2, This is a value of sine pi by 6. Therefore theta equal to pi by 6. Now just put in the form of r cos theta, polar form, I sin theta. R equal to 2, taken common, cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6. And the last question number 8. Last, it is only I. Now just compare z equal to a cos theta plus I sin theta. Now compare r cos theta into r I sin theta. R cos theta equal to 1, 0. There is no real number. You can write it a plus 0 plus I into 1. And r sin theta equal to 1. Now r square equal to 1, r equal to 1. R cos theta equal to 0. Cos theta equal to 0, it means theta equal to pi by 2. Same, r sin theta equal to 1, sin theta equal to 1, sin pi by 2. So now you can write r cos theta plus ir sin theta. It means 1, it is cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. This is in the standard form, polar form of I.